Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel FASTCABLING. So today in this video, we're tackling a common challenge in the tech world, extending the reach of your network beyond the usual limit. You see, these days, 2.5G PoE is all the rage, and devices like this one right here, the Netgear wireless access point, are fantastic. They can handle it all, but there's a catch. Within 100 meters, life is all good. But what if you want to stretch your network beyond that? Here comes all the problems: packet loss, signal degradations, and a sluggish connection. And that is not what we signed up for. And we know most extension solutions will hit a roadblock for a 2.5G network since they only support up to 1 gigabit per second. It's like bringing a tricycle to a drag race. It's just not going to cut it. Plus, this Netgear wireless access point here isn't just any device. It demands both power and high-speed data. And that's where the PoE comes in. But we know that standard PoE has a distance limitation of 100 meters, that's 328 feet. So the question is, how do we get PoE and high-speed data at the same time? And no worry, we've got a plan. So behind me, we have our solution, and let me introduce you to our high-speed dream team. Here we have a 10G PoE injector. This is the 10G media converter and a 10G SFP module. And here we have the fiber optic cable and a 2.5G switch with 10G uplink. Now this setup is a game changer. The PoE injector will deliver the juice, and our 10G devices can handle the data even over a long distances. Since the Netgear wireless access point need 2.5G and PoE, so we're serving the power with the injector and satisfying the need for speed with our 10G crew. And to bridge our distance gap, we are using this fiber optic cable. Why? Because fiber optic cable are immune to electromagnetic interference and can transmit data over a long distance without losing integrity. So without saying, let's do a quick connection together. So first step, let's connect the router to our 2.5G switch using this short patch cord. And also it can support up to 10G SFP uplink, so plug in this SFP module. And today we are using a 4-string pre-made fiber optic cable. It has 4 different strings, all tested in the factory. We're going to use string A. Since it's pre-made, so we don't need to worry about the connector. Just plug and play. We're using single mode LC connector for today. In between, we have a 300 meters fiber optic cable. We are going to connect it to the SFP module and this media converter. Now the media converter can convert the electrical signal into fiber optic signal used for the fiber optic cabling. And as this name suggests, the 10G media converter is capable of handling data rates of up to 10 gigabit per second. And this capability is crucial for ensuring that there's no bottleneck in the network, allowing for high-speed data transfer, which is especially important in scenario demanding high bandwidth. And here we have our 10G SFP module. We also use it over that side with the switch. It can provide necessary interface for the fiber optic cable in a network device that do not have built-in fiber port. And they're inserted into the SFP port of a network device, such as this media converter or the switch over there. So plug it in here. Make sure we choose the right string, which is string A. This one, plug it in. So now it's sending the 10G signal all the way up here, and it's already powered up. And I'm going to use this Ethernet cable to connect this media converter to our 10G PoE injector. Now this is the data input port. This is the PoE output port. We are going to connect it with our Netgear wireless access point. And we have a special mounting tool here so we can mount it on a DIN rail. just like this. And it is already powered up too, using this Ethernet cable to connect to the PoE output port. Now our Netgear wireless access point is receiving both power and data at the same time, so we're going to check out the Wi-Fi on our phone. As you can see, all the indicated lights are on. Our Netgear here is getting the power and data that it needs. So go to your phone setting, open up our Wi-Fi. It's automatically connected to the Netgear wireless access point. Let's check out the internet. Let's go to our website, FASTCABLING. And as you can see, we are serving the web with no problem. And lastly, we have some pro tips just for you. You should opt for pre-made fiber optic cables since they're reliable and easy to install. And let's be honest, terminating a fiber optic cable yourself is a hassle that's best avoided. And when setting up your wireless access point, choosing the right location is the key. Think coverage, convenience, and minimal interference. And when it comes to cable routing, plan carefully to avoid any potential hazard. So there you have it, the ultimate setup to extend your network's reach without sacrificing speed or data. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe for more tech insights. And if you got any questions or want to share your own network experience, feel free to drop a comment below. So stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.